management is on par. Whether it be your regular system as it is, or if you need to go in way lighter, that's usually what we recommend for everybody. I go in half size on Fridays on all my positions. So just be careful today. Don't be dumb. Don't ruin the week with on Fridays because you want to be cute, as George likes to call it. So
I honestly think I like the TSM setup the best.
I'm starting to like the setup that Keith mentioned, actually. The more I'm looking at this on the smaller time frames, this doesn't look too bad.
What did Keith
Problem
mention?
BA 170. My only issue is that I'm not a fan of these levels. It's pretty much a hard tie between BA and TSM for me, and they're both at the 170 level.
Just BA on a Friday just doesn't sound fun.
Neither does TSM to me, man. What stock does sound fun to you on a Friday?
Freaking Netflix. I'm kidding.
No, like actually. Like what stock do you have zero issues with ever trading on a Friday?
Like Tesla and Nvidia probably.
I would say
Okay.
Meta or Nvidia.
Yeah, Meta's been
M-
cool.
Meta's a crazy. I hate Meta on Fridays.
Not gonna lie though, back in the day, those Netflix Friday plays we used to get were
Hmm.
wild.
I can agree with Tesla. I think Tesla I'm always calm and chill on. SK, it's just the 170 level. It broke pre-market, but I'm still a fan of taking it there. Nvidia's far. If that happens to come out, I'll be a fan of that, but then it needs to be divergent in the market.
TSM is gone.
Whoa, did it break? Oh, it pulled back. I guess that leaves me one option then.
What?
Keith mentioned
Oh yeah. Shop
BA.
is coming up though.
The thing with man, it is, isn't it? I don't know. I was waiting for this. That's a tough one because I like it at 69, but 70 is where my safest play is at on that. Because how much more do we have on that gap? $5 left on that.
I like just that pre-market high or yesterday's high into 69 and then room to 70 break.
That's just the way I was originally thinking of playing it. It's just I haven't traded shop in a minute.
We probably got to do the 69s for that. Meta just got a pop.
Yep.
Do you like anything on that, Noel?
No, not yet. I mean, it's gonna be an intraday setup.
Yeah.
There's also a trend at 516 on 30 minutes, so I want to be careful.
I guess I'll have shot. No, no.
Yeah, I'll have that ready too.
Yeah, that's what they're looking at.
My alert for shop. So far 68.60. I'm not sure when Nour has his.
I don't think the contracts are open yet.
Volume on the stock seems like it is. It's weird.
The bid's 11 and the ask is 60.
Yeah, I'm looking at Meta 510 calls. Oh wow, it's ripping. It's gonna be a tight stop. I'm in.
You know what alert I just had go off, Nour?
What?
Lily.
Oh yeah, it's ripping, but you said those contracts don't open up.
Yeah, no, it's part of the NYC. I'm in a trade right now myself, so I can't really switch to it yet.
Would you play shop?
BA.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm using 507 as my stop on Meta. 507. I'm gonna do 507.10 so it doesn't break through. 507.10 is my stop on Meta. Or Friday, we just talked about how light we go. $507.10 on Meta. It's right there. So if it doesn't pop here, it's gonna hit my stop.
Yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to miss Lily.
I mean, bro, those contract spreads, I don't even want to look at them right now.
Yeah, I don't even know if it has volume to begin with. Yeah.
You don't see anything, Benji?
Huh?
You don't like anything?
Yeah, these contracts are
Nah. I'm
horrible.
just watching shop here, to be honest. That's what I was looking at.
It just broke and then came right down.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna wait for that like 60, 50, or 70 area.
Yeah, Lily ain't it.
Yeah.
It
Whole
rejected at
dollar.
580. I mean 880.
Yeah. Dollar spread on the contracts. I don't know.
I don't know if you guys are interested, but Apple's coming up to 214 from yesterday, and it's holding up better than the market.
What is, Kevin?
Apple.
bull market coming down here. Market bounced here. I'm probably going to add right before the 510 break. I added. What the fuck? $5.11 here. Contract's 440. Target is above 512.50. Gonna higher my stop on this to 508.25. All the candles kept wicking through 507, but nothing closed below. So same thing goes for this one on Meta. This ends up coming back down.
By the way, BA is coming back to 170.
You like it, Maki?
I like it, but I'm just making sure they don't miss it if
Oh.
they're interested.
I'll hit my stop loss
I'm
on
probably
that
gonna
personally.
miss it. I'm in freaking Meta right now. Contracts are 440. Whoa, 511 just broke. 450 a contract. I have room up to 515 after 512.50. I don't know if I'll hold that long.
Yo, Lily just exploded. I didn't trade it, but that was crazy. $7 pop.
Meta did too.
Damn. Shout out to anybody who was able to be a part of that.
Here comes Meta, about to break 512. Remember, 512.50 is my first target. I'm gonna sell 50%. Market is pushing though, so that's the only issue here. Yeah, 470 a contract right now. 480. How are the spreads on a Lily? They were terrible.
I have no idea. I just saw it pop on my alerts. Kanal said they're horrible, so I believe him on that.
Yeah. He'll leave him too.
$3 spread on the Lily. Damn.
Imagine trying to get filled for me. That would have sucked.
Yo, that's crazy, Antonio. He bought at 6.95 and the contract's hit 13.20. Wow. That's sick, Antonio. Yeah, you definitely had to play that light. That's fire, though. You might as well call it there.
Market just pulled back nicely. Anything weak? Nothing.
I don't have anything.
I have nothing that's like at low of day here. Tesla rejected off 213.50. Nvidia's at 105.80. That's not low day either. Everything's kind of holding up here, even with the market pulling back. And obviously Lily is making new highs. Wow. Did BA happen?
No. Didn't get there.
I got stopped out the first time. Well, I guess the only time we got close.
You got in early?
I got in at, let me look at the chart. I got in at the pre-market high, it's like around 169.40. I think I was up 15-20% at most. I ended up selling for the same amount.
Only 14 minutes in here, so we'll see. Market's still dropping.
Yo, those contracts are disgusting, Antonio. Yeah, Antonio, it goes both ways. That's crazy. 18 on the contracts, bro.
For what, Lily?
Yeah.
No way.
$12 push on the contracts on a $12 move on the stock. That's crazy.
That's such an easy move for it too. $12.
If you, dang. I'm gonna take that off my watch list too, Antonio. Before I start thinking a little too much on the stock.
Market's still dropping.
900 would be nice. I wouldn't touch 900 on the Lily. I just don't see the risk to reward at those spreads. Like, I'm sure you go in light and kind of just ride the stock out, but I don't know.
You don't want to play 900?
I'm not trying to. It doesn't look bad. Like, if I were to set up, I'm sure I would think about it, but I don't know. The spread, just seeing the spread, like the spreads don't get better.
I haven't looked at the option chain at all.
I think the lowest I ever saw of any of the spreads go is like $1.50, maybe $1.20. But on the pullbacks, those spreads get up to like $3
Wait, that
at
was the
times.
lowest, $1.50?
When it was pushing, yeah. But on the pullbacks, that thing gets up to $3 at
Yeah, but
times.
$1.50 is already bad. That's wild.
Yeah.
Are you still in meta? Yes. Just waiting for this to either hit my stop or target here. It's the strongest stock here. Everything, well, Tesla held up well, but Meta is the one that actually has something on his chart. I might actually add to this again if we come up the right way.
What contracts are you in right now for that?
The 510s.
Okay.
They're
Because I'm looking to take it here with you soon.
they're $420 a contract right now. $435. Wow. $460. I'm looking to add at 512, guys. And then I'm gonna sell half above the high of 512.50. $470 a contract. Market just had a big red candle. Meta still holding up, which is amazing here. Getting ready to add at the 512 level. I have an alert set at 511.96. I'm actually going to lower that just in case. Yeah, I lowered it to 90 cents, 511.90 is where I'll take another add on that. This stock is holding up the best, showing divergence. I mean, this is all I could ask for green flags here. And there's plenty of room on the charts. The one positive. I added. Oh my god. Oh my god. $5 a contract. Whoa! 512.50. Okay. God. Hit the target like that. I just saw my contracts do backflips there. Did the market pop? Oh, it had a green candle. That's all it had. Wow. I mean, this trade is an autopilot. Obviously, don't go red now. Whoa, what the fuck? It got rejected on the 5-minute trend, which I'm not worried about. I'm more worried about the 15-minute trend, which is up to 513 and some change. All right, here we go, guys. I'm about to sell half. If we break through that high, that's 50% of the position. Haven't sold yet. Waiting. It did break the high, but I'm waiting. Market's struggling. I wanted to get a limit fill there, but I guess not. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. 70 cents right there. Getting ready to sell half, guys. One more new high. Should be out. Here we go. Finger on the sell. Finger on the sell. 513 broke. I'm sold 50%. 50%, sorry. I said 15. Contracts 540. Wow. Market pulled back. Let's see if Meta pulls back. If it does, I'll probably just get rid of that. I got rid of 50% above 513. Other than that, I don't really have anything set up here. It kind of just hit that 15-minute trend, but we'll see if we can break right through. This next sell order, guys, I'm looking to sell everything, so keep that in mind. My finger's on a sell for the remaining contracts. I'll let you know when I pull that trigger, but it's almost there. Here we go. Waiting for 513.35. If that breaks, it should take me to past 513.50 on one candle, and then that's the trend, and then I'm going to walk away. But realistically, this has room to 516. It's just this type of market. I don't want to take that chance here. There's buyers on the print here. It's just not enough. Let's see. Buyer stepped in again. The big chunks of order. Here we go. We should get it right here. There it goes, guys. 560 a contract. Remember, I'm waiting for that 50-cent level, and I'm going to sell everything. The buyers are active. They're here. It's just the market keeps pulling back heavily whenever this pushes, so That's what happens. Trailing stop is to your preference. Obviously green, but I'm waiting a second here. I think we're going to get it no matter what with this market. We'll see in a second here, though. But I'm not going to let this get too far from me if it drops. Above 513 again. Here we are. I need that bid to move higher. I feel like it's always a lack of bid here again. I need to hurry up before Maki says he's looking at puts on SPY. That's the most annoying thing ever. Market just collapsing every time this pushes up. That's the worst part. Damn, Nvidia's dropping. Tesla got smoked at 200. I hope nobody tried that. Wow, that's a straight drop right there.
No, honestly, guys, I'm looking at calls today, but it didn't quite get there yet.
Damn Tesla. Frankie, you don't see anything?
Me or Frankie?
Frankie.
I'm looking right now. I'm trying.
BA.
I was gonna
BA
say,
is like $1 away.
yeah, BA is like the only like realistic setup I have that I
Oh,
would
it's just
take.
holding up?
It held
Yeah.
up. I mean, I don't expect it to follow the market, obviously, but
Mm-hmm.
the pushes are aggressive. So the probability of us seeing 170 today is decent.
Okay.
It's not high. Let's see, where are my key levels for BA? 171.60. That's far. We're probably not gonna hold that long. As realistically, a good stop loss for this BA setup is about 169.20. So it has to be done by its size. It's an 80 cent stop loss. With these contracts, it will probably be, let's see here. Probably gonna be a 30% stop loss. So you got a size, assuming if the stop trigger triggers, it will be a 30% drop.
You're still cool with playing it this late, right, Frankie?
Yeah. I'm watching it right now. It's getting pretty close. I'm not sure if you're gonna look into it or not.
I mean, I don't know. I'm watching.
Frankie, my alert is at 70 cents. That's where I'll be getting in.
Mine was at 80 cents because of that rejection. I wanted it for it to be as close as possible.
Close as possible to 170, right?
Yeah. Because I already stopped out on this earlier. Lost
Yeah, but
300 on it.
yeah, it all depends on how it pushes here.
Mm-hmm. Like if we get a
Because if
momentum candle, I would see me getting in at the same area you do.
Yeah, but if we grind slow there, I'm gonna wait for the
Yeah.
exact number.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, guys, the stop is probably like over 20%, so you have to size accordingly.
Pro the spread on the contracts.
They're what?
Yep.
30 cents. Now it's 20 cents. It's just fluctuating a lot. Now they're a
It's
lot
only,
better.
yeah.
It's like 10 cents now.
Jeez. What'd you say? Yeah. All right.
That's a great reaction there. Now we just need above 60 cents on this candle. If we see that, we're solid. So Justin, the spread is gonna be wide when it chops like this. When it gets to that kilo, when it has momentum, the spread's gonna be tight. Your issue is gonna be when you actually pull the trigger on the stop loss. So let's assume that the stock pulls back. When you pull the trigger to stop out, the spreads are gonna be like 30 cents apart. So you have to factor that into your stop loss percent.
That's not gonna give you BA now. BA with the pullback. Oh, Amazon broke out. Wow.
It's like BA is not gonna happen. Jeff, the SPY setups are this how SPY levels are far. Right now, I'm currently looking at above 532.50 for puts and 527 for calls. So we're right in between. So I was looking at BA. I mean, I can't give targets like that because it all depends on how it reacts.
Anything close?
No. I was watching Apple, but I think I just stuck to watching it.
All right.
I scalped Apple. The contracts didn't move that nice, to be honest.
The high's about to break here.
Yeah. I got close to 10 cents.
Even BA looks iffy now. I don't know if I'm still interested in BA. Because the issue is right now, BA, instead of being a momentum play, now it's a consolidation break. And the consolidation break with spreads that wide, it could get very ugly.
I hired my trailing stop here on Meta. This thing is taking forever, bro. Those contracts lose value a little bit, not much.
SPY's getting close to the setup I want. I'm looking at the 533 area. Not quite 532.
Whole bunch of consolidation today from SPY. Amazon, wow, just strong today.
I have two more SPY setups left. Yeah, it looks like it's setting up. Okay, guys. I'm looking at next day calls contracts. Uh, 5:31 calls. Trying to play calls below 5:30. So by 5:29.70, 5:29.80, that area. Setting my alert at 5:29.70. The stop is gonna be 5:28.85. So that's about 80-cent stop loss. See how much percent that would be.
Nor, if you're on the mic, I'm I'm looking at Lily right now.
Yeah, I'm right here.
The spreads are actually really, they're 50 cents now. The pullbacks they get up to like $1 at times, but that's like SMCI at that point. I'm looking at this though. Not sure if you are.
Lily? Or Lily?
Yeah.
What is this stock?
Can also the ones that made Ozempic, I believe.
Olympics?
Ozempics, like the medication that makes you skinny, or like for diabetics. I'm just broke.
Yeah, the spreads are nuts.
Yeah. I tried selling limited, didn't get me.
The bid's getting closer.
Yeah, I realized I was muted. I just need that bid to catch up. Like the ass is fine. The bid just is the only thing that's struggling with this. Once I see the bid get to 900, that's when I might be able to look to sell. Yeah, the spreads are getting better now. I can sell for profit here, but I'm still waiting. There you go. There it goes. That took a little too long, but I got it.